Hello everybody, my name is Elliot and welcome back to Advective Weather. Today we're going to be doing an update on Tropical Storm Calvin, which is currently approaching the Hawaiian Islands. So as you can see, Calvin has weakened substantially from its major hurricane peak several days ago when it was in the eastern Pacific and is now a middle-end tropical storm. Despite its weakening trend, Calvin is likely to pass just to the south or over Hawaii's Big Island as a low-end tropical storm late Tuesday night local time. A tropical storm watch has been issued for the entire Big Island, meaning that tropical storm conditions are possible within 48 hours. Gusty winds, locally heavy rain, and rip currents are possible, especially along the shoreline. Alright, as of 18 UTC today, which is July 17th, Tropical Storm Calvin was located at 17 degrees north, 142.4 degrees west. Maximum 1-minute sustained winds are 45 knots or 50 miles an hour per the CPHC estimate. The CPHC estimated a minimum central pressure of 1,000 millibars. Alright, taking a look at the setup, having spent several days over cool waters in the eastern and central Pacific, Calvin's convective structure has become very anemic, with a largely exposed low-level center. A gradual weakening trend will likely continue, seeing as the environment will remain thermodynamically unfavorable for sustaining Calvin's intensity. Mountainous terrain should severely disrupt Calvin's structure while it passes through Hawaii. And we are lucky enough to have reconnaissance data in the storm, so this does give us some accurate estimates as to the storm's true intensity. As you can see, flight level winds are still hurricane force. However, without that deep convection, the mixing ratio is very low, and as you can see, SFMRs are barely even tropical storm force. So the National Hurricane Center, Central Pacific Hurricane Center, has gone with an estimate of 50 miles an hour to compromise between these two levels of data. Alright, the CPHC Hurricane Cone of Uncertainty brings Calvin just south of the Big Island of Hawaii if you're following the center of the track. However, the island is well within the uncertainty area, so a direct landfall cannot be ruled out. The official forecasts suggest that Calvin will be a low-end tropical storm by the time it does actually reach Hawaii, and dissipation is set to occur shortly after passing Hawaii due to disruption from the very high terrain. Taking a look at the weather models, they are pretty much locked in at this point. See, the GFS does have it going a little bit south of Hawaii. However, tropical storm force winds will still impact the island in the GFS scenario. The Euro does take it a little bit farther north, and it does actually make landfall on the Big Island as a tropical storm. However, it's important to note that both of these scenarios do show similar impacts in the grand scheme of things. Gale force winds along the coastline, possibly some rip currents, and the potential for some locally heavy rainfall. What can you do to prepare? Always follow official guidance for making decisions. For Calvin, the National Hurricane Center's website has the Central Pacific Hurricane Center, who are the officials who issue the official updates. So, for accurate information, you should always be following them. And if unsure for what to do for your specific area, always consult your local officials to know the specific risks in your location. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. It really does help the channel out. And we also have a Discord where you can chat with myself and the rest of our team. We often have events there. It's a great time, so I do recommend that you join. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next update.